In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can print your Word document file, simple and easy. So launch the file you are trying to print here. So this is for tutorial purposes. Yes. So let's say I'm trying to print this. So what I need to do is you can press on Ctrl+P and then move there, or you can tap on your file there and you can see this. There's the option for print. Good. So now you can make all the changes you want to make on here. So you choose the printer available. So now you choose the printer available here and you're good to go. So I don't have any printer connected, so Microsoft to PDF. And you can choose all these settings, you can adjust them. So for full option, you can tap on the page setup here and then you can do everything you want to do here. Left margins and the rest. So you can adjust your margins and all that. And then you can, change the number of copies you want to print. So let's say you want to print 5 of them. Good. So you select 5. You can use this to, make a 1, 2 as well. And now you tap on the print here.